Working on projects with China can be both exciting and challenging. There are intercultural differences, varying priorities, and different ways of approaching work. We often see Western manufacturers entering the Chinese market and Chinese investors expanding into the US or EU. Our goal is to show how to turn these differences into strengths and create win-win outcomes. In this session, we'll explore 4 essential soft skills for international project success: clear communication, effective documentation, pragmatic problem solving, and proactive change management. These skills are critical in bridging cultural gaps and keeping projects on track. The top challenge in projects with China is often communication. While team members may speak English, deeper discussions can drift off track. We recommend having at least one bilingual team member to ensure clarity. In the end, project milestones are reached not just through technical skills, but through clear, consistent understanding. Miscommunication often outweighs technical competence as a cause of project delays. Communication is not only about language, but also about cultural style. In large, diverse markets like China, you'll meet both high-context and indirect communicators. In contrast, Western teams, such as German biotech companies, tend to be low-context and direct. The active project lead must trace questions until they are clearly understood and implemented, adapting to both communication styles. To keep everyone aligned, document key meetings and decisions in English or bilingually. This includes protocols, PowerPoint slides, technical documentation, and quality processes. Ideally, both sides edit and use a shared, cloud-based resource. Consistent documentation ensures that progress is traceable and misunderstandings are minimized. After noting all project tasks, track each open point and assign deadlines. With many participants and moving parts, problems will always arise. Chinese teams often prefer to act immediately, while Western teams focus on refining the process. Meeting in the middle, *** solving critical tasks first, then improving processes, ** creates a pragmatic compromise. In international project management with Chinese teams, speed and focus are key. Instead of waiting for full process alignment, urgent issues are handled immediately. This doesn't mean ignoring process. Optimization happens in parallel. By separating critical deliverables from long-term improvements, you balance speed with sustainability. This dual-track method leads to better results and stronger partnerships. Projects, especially international ones, are rarely static. Regulations, market conditions, and partner priorities can shift quickly. The key is to anticipate significant changes early and adapt before they become urgent problems. Stay focused on the ultimate project goal, even when details change. By keeping a clear destination in mind and adjusting your approach along the way, you turn change into an advantage. We combine KPI-driven regulatory expertise with deep market knowledge in China. Our team speaks German, English, and Chinese, and brings experience from medical devices, life sciences, and consumer goods. We work on-site weekly in Germany, Australia, Switzerland, France, Italy, and China. We bridge cultural and technical gaps, turning global differences into project strengths.